Hey, I'm hanging out here with some Swedish fish that I bought. This packaging backwards, the screencaster is forward. I've seen some Zooms where they're shirted like backwards. It's Mr. Curtis's birthday, May 6th, and so shh, I bought him some Swedish fish. But I'm gonna be gone, so I have to try to deliver those tomorrow secretly. So today's Monday, April 27th, tomorrow's Tuesday. You're gonna get this on Tuesday, probably. So if you got my email, I'm gonna be gone on Wednesday through the 10th. Well, the 9th, really, actually. Um, I am heading to Arizona to help my dad with my mom. She was in a rehab center for some fractured vertebrae. She had this procedure called kyphoplasty, where they put cement in your vertebrae, and she was doing actually pretty well. But then one of the caregivers in a different unit got COVID. So they released her early, and I don't think she has COVID because she wasn't really exposed. She was pretty much isolated to her room. But she's not ready to live independently. So my sister's down there right now. She was down there for 18 days right at the beginning of COVID. Then my mom went in the rehab center, and now she's out. So my sister's down there taking care of her right now, and it's my turn on Wednesday. So I'm super privileged to go and take care of my mom. But I'm going to be a little bit off the radar more than I normally am. So this week's pretty well, easy stuff. But next week, you might have more questions. And next week, I'll be down there as well. So just know that if I don't reply right away, it's just because I'm dealing with some stuff with her. And it might be just a little bit distracted. I generally make more mistakes when I'm stretched. So if I make mistakes, just roll your eyes and say Starkey, and then just send me an email. Okay. So just wanted to let you know that I hope you're doing great and you're hanging in there. I am privileged to be talking to you about the Elevation Summit. I watched one today and that was really fun. So this week will be a little bit intense, but Tuesday you have off next week if you get all this done this week. And next week it'll be a lot easier. So on Tuesday, I want you to watch this little introduction. Jake gives a little introduction to the summit. It was posted in your email on Monday. So if you can't open this link, it's in your email from Monday. Check your email from Jake Keffler. The summit started today, and I think all those speakers are still going to be available. So if you don't like the speaker selection for tomorrow, you can come back to Monday, I think. There's directions in the email to let you log in with the login that you created on Friday. And if you're not sure what it is, just know that you can email Jake Keffler and ask him for it. I'm just not going to be super available to help you, so try to problem solve, but don't not do the assignment. Okay. He sent it out this morning between like 7 and 8, so I would imagine they'll be available all day. So don't sleep in too much. So Tuesday through Friday, you need to choose 2 speakers per day to listen to, and the interviews are like 15 to 30 minutes. If you know you're going to have a really busy day, do a bunch another day. You can be flexible with it. You can do 3 speakers in one day. You can do all 8 of them tomorrow. I don't care. But you need to plan to set aside like an hour of time to do the listening and then to do your reflections. It might take a little bit longer than an hour. After each speaker complete the reflection, each response should be at least 3 sentences. So I don't want really like menial work like Starkey, this is so stupid. Use proper grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure. You're going to submit this on Google Classroom, the post that I post today, Tuesday. And then they're all due next week, Tuesday. So if you finish everything this week, you don't have any homework next week, Tuesday. This is it. I'm not sure why these are white around it. I tried to fix that. I don't know what's wrong with it. So there's a space for you to do reflection twice a day. So here's Tuesdays. They're all the same questions every single day. Tuesday speaker 2, Wednesday speaker 1, Wednesday speaker 2. So if you decide to do like 4 speakers in a day instead of 2 each day, you can just change the day. So if you do 4 on Tuesday, you can just change this to Tuesday and speaker 3 or 4, just so I know who they are and what you learn from them. Here's Thursday and here's Friday. So kind of an intense week of speakers, but I want you to get a little nugget out of every one, kind of like a Swedish fish nugget, and share that with me, and then we'll probably have a little reflection with each of you. So I hope that it's great. The one that I listened to yesterday was great. They're all super young and just like doing things that you probably want to do. So that's a great thing. So if you have any questions, email me. Again, just not super available, but I'll do my best. And I hope you have a great week. Okay, I'm not going to be in touch with you very much, just posting today. And then this is due next week, Tuesday. But Just finish it Friday. Turn it in Friday. Why don't you? Then you have Tuesday off and Monday. Have a great weekend and a week and a week. Okay, see ya.